Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we'll make a classic tiramisu. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 20 ladyfingers, 3 large eggs, a cup of espresso, a half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brandy, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. We'll start by separating our eggs using a 3-bowl separation method, in case one of the yolks breaks. Once we've separated our eggs, we'll whisk together our egg yolks, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brandy, and a tablespoon of our espresso, until it thickens up and lightens in color, about 3 minutes. Then we'll beat in our mascarpone, and beat for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until smooth. Next, we'll prepare our meringue. We'll beat our egg whites on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form, about 7 to 10 minutes. Once we've prepared our meringue, we'll gently fold it into our mascarpone mixture until well blended, being careful not to deflate it. Once we've folded together our meringue and mascarpone mixture, we'll assemble our tiramisu. We'll quickly dip our ladyfingers into the rest of our espresso and make a layer on the bottom of our dish. We'll cover that with half of our mascarpone mixture, another layer of ladyfingers, the rest of our mascarpone mixture, and finally, we'll sift our 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder over our tiramisu. Once we've assembled our tiramisu, we'll allow it to set in the refrigerator for 6 hours to overnight. The longer we allow it to set, the more cake-like the ladyfingers will become. It's been 6 hours and our tiramisu should be set. We'll remove it from the refrigerator and serve it chilled. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.